My name is Sam Pepper. I'm the sales manager here at DJ Assembly. So we're an electronics manufacturing partner, specialising in printed circuit board assembly, box build, testing, programming, full turnkey solutions really. We've got military and aerospace, aero for microwave, gas sensing and technology in like the oil and gas industry. But we work with various number of suppliers, various number of industries. We don't specialise in one. We're quite happy to work with customers and again be flexible to what they need from us. Definitely flexibility. So we strive to make customers' demands easy, to manufacture and that kind of sort. Price, quality, and the amount of CMs around at the moment is difficult. The flexible side of our business is our key selling point. Basically, brand exposure, keeping our name out there, making sure we're based up in York, so making sure people know who we are down in the south, making sure if anyone hears about our name of DJ, they know exactly what we do. It doesn't say in our name exactly what happens. So. Very busy, busier than it has been in previous years. I remember this used to be a food stall down this end, so hopefully a lot of prospects. So UK manufacturing, based up in York, everything's done in the UK. So we have spare boards and suppliers that source from the Far East, but we won't deal with the companies over there. Everything is based in the UK, which again is a key selling point. Bringing stuff back onshore is vital for some of our customers. Surface mount, population, everything is done in our facility in York as well, so nothing is outsourced, nothing is subcontracted or anything like that either. So it streamlines procurement, reduces lead times, ensures quality is kept within the UK, and then there's no data breaches either, so where cyber security plus anything that's done in the Far East, you don't know what's happening with your data, so secured in our business and with the team here. It's a benefit of using us.